The origin of the Dragon Boat Festival dates back to the Warring State period. The patriotic poet Chuan threw himself into the river with a stone in his arms. To prevent fish and shrimp from biting his body, people rowed boats and threw rice dumplings into the water. This tradition gradually evolved into today's festival. In Kaifeng, an ancient capital of 8 dynasties, the festival is enriched with 1,000 years of Song Dynasty charm. This Dragon Boat Festival, why not bring your family to Kaifeng, enjoy the fragrance of mugwort and savor the cultural heritage, while feeling the festive warmth in the lively streets.
Tell Chinese stories and spread the Chinese spirit. Hello everyone, I'm Liu Xin.